Right guys, welcome back. This is going to be hopefully a quick one. Shouldn't be too difficult, but one thing you got to admit, that tail tidy is completely nasty. There are so many different options out there, different prices. I wanted to keep the two end cans, so I thought, you know what, I'm just going to try one of these tail tidy kits. That's plug and play. I still need the indicators. I wanted something that can fit the license plate, and it was OEM with the plug and play, so I'll give this a go. It is straightforward. You literally take off a few screws and bolts underneath. I don't know, maybe you can see those two come off. That one at the top, this big handy thing should come off. There's a screw there, a plug. Already made a little start. I was having a little investigation. So yeah, let's get this dirty thing off. Right, the big dirty tail tidy is off. We've got the OEM plugs here. Let's go the size of this thing. All right, let's put that down. And let's see what I'm going to try and replace it with. So this is like an integrated lights up the top, number plate, but this thing has, let's have a look, that one single clip. Now 1 into 3 does not go, so luckily the guy told me about this, right? Because I don't know, it's just one of these model types. So over here I have some individual plugs. So what I need to do, I do not want to touch the existing wiring. I don't want to splice anything up. So I will connect these to that replacement one, and then that should just plug into the OEM loom, and that should be it, in theory, as long as I can do my electrics correct, don't fuck anything up. Right, leave it with me. So I've attached the wires on the back of the Mickey Mouse tail tidy that I got from some unknown destination. I'm not going to say any more, but it's worth a punt. Obviously there is 3 wires, that makes sense. So I'd already had some discussions with the guy, and he goes, yeah, you're gonna have to get some extra plugs. So eBay, I just bought some spare indicator and brake light plugs. So now all I've got to do is fit these 3 and match them up to these 3, in theory, wire it up, plug it in, and it should work. My DIY dirty fix. Right, keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. Right, don't shoot me down, I'm no electrician. I've just wired these up with whatever crappy little tool set that I got. I ain't got nothing amazing, but yeah, let's just plug this in and see if it works. Wish me luck. There you go, plugged in using the OEM plugs. OEM loom is untouched. So yeah, let's see what happens. So the indicators are working, that's good. The light underneath isn't, so I might wired that the wrong way around. There was no colours on that, so that's the only one I've got to look at, which is good news. Wicked. Right, we're wired for a second time. Let's see what happens. Lights are on. And we have a light. Yes. Right, let's check the indicators. And we got lights. Right, plug this all in, job done. There you go. Finished article. Look at that, so much better. Just got a little smaller plate put on. This thing's quite good because you can actually tilt it back. So if I wanted to see how far it goes back. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go, job done. Indicators are on. One last there you go, light's visible, almost. There's a light. And left one working. And right one working. Winner. another video done. Let's go.